Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M6 and let me share with you how to turn off the ads and their recommendations. So let's begin with the recommendations. Let's start with tapping on the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and go to this Google section. Then tap on all services, and here we have to scroll down to find the ads. And right here we've got something called advertising ID, and basically remove it will not limit the advertisements, but it will limit the personalization of those ads, which is quite nice. So let's start with tapping on Reset Advertising ID, tap on Confirm, and then tap on Delete Advertising ID, so to be sure that everything went all right. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear, and obviously here you will have a relevant information about those advertisements, so basically the information which I've just told you. Another thing which you can try to do is to limit the notifications from apps which are showing you the advertisements. So for example, let's pretend that I've got a lot of adverts from the Play Store. So just tap on it and hold it, and then go to App Info. Here we have to scroll and find the section Notifications, and basically here I highly recommend to scroll down, and in those alerts or essentials, I highly recommend to try to find the category which might be connected with the advertisement. So just an example, payments, deals and recommendations. It sounds kind of like the advertisements. So just find it and then tap on this switcher to turn off that kind of notifications. So obviously the others will still be shown, but those which are connected with the advertisements will be turned off. So this is what I highly recommend to do. Another thing is to consider replacing the apps which are showing you the advertisements. So for example, if you're using the file manager, which usually contains advertisements, then I highly recommend to try to find a third-party file manager. So all you have to do is to go to the Play Store. You have to be logged in to be able to follow all of my steps. You can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. Here in the search section, you can simply enter File Manager. And as you can see, you will have the full list of free file managers which you can use and which are free from advertisements. Also in the Google Play Store you can find the Adblock, and I highly recommend to simply enter Adblock or Adblocker or anything like that. You can also specify Adblock for apps, Adblock for browser, whatever, and try to find the Adblock which will block the advertisements. Basically, probably you will need a separate one for the browser and for other apps. And what I also highly recommend to do is to choose those ad blocks which are highly rated, because they are safe and secure. And as a last resort, I also highly recommend to set the private DNS. So we have to go to the settings. Then here at the top we've got more connectivity options. And here let's go to private DNS. Right now we've got it set on the automatic option. So let's simply tap on private DNS. Tap on this custom name, and here we should enter dns.adguard.com and tap on save. And basically thanks to it, our device will limit the advertisements. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.